Okay, traders, we entered this trade in VIP. It's a counter trend trade, and I entered the trade based on, okay, this indicator here giving us, let's open this up, giving us this signal. Yeah, so we had this signal here, this red. So you can see these lines are up at the top of this range. So we're looking for the sell when the blue and the fuchsia line cross, and that's when this red zone paints. All right, so we look for the next sell signal, this dot or the sell, and yeah, I mean, we're in the trade. So now I've actually moved my stop loss down to break even. This is counter trend and it's risky, so I'm wanting to move my stop loss so that it's risk free. So this is the trade that I'm actually in here on one account, on a Think Markets account. All right, so the stop loss, as you can see, is now slightly better than break even. Now, if it pulls back and takes me out, it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. It's a risky trade. It's counter trend. But the thing is, if this continues down without taking out our now risk-free break-even stop loss, I'm going for these lows over here, and that will give us a 1.98R. It's a 2R. It's mainly a 2R outcome. Very close to it. I mean, I could... Oh, wait a minute. If I actually go down to the green line, there you go, 2.04. All right, so there's a nice start to the week if this one closes in profit. And look, if it hits a stop loss, it doesn't matter. Okay, again, guys, look, we're running against the grain. This is a bullish trend here. But I'm going on the concept that Friday into Monday, we generally see aggressive reversals. So that's why I won't be, we don't want to buy. See this green zone? You avoid buying when it's extended like this. You want to get involved. That's your signal down here to get involved, right? When that kicked off, that's where we buy, right? Now, counter trend, yeah, we don't buy at the end of this green zone, and look what it's trading into. See, this yellow line is a previous daily. The orange line through here is a previous weekly, and it's tagged it once, twice. All right, so I'm expecting a bit of a pullback, and again, if it doesn't, that's no issue, right? Okay, so and this is a counter trend taken on this strategy here. Okay, so we'll see how we go with this. All right, and we're looking at it's a 2R target. Down to the lows we go, 2.04 to be exact on the other chart. Yeah, I mean, if that continues down, that'd be awesome. So we'll see how it goes, guys. I decided to share this in the public channel as well, so you can see what we're doing. I'm very tentative on Mondays. I've posted a mentorship video into VIP. I'll show you that. All right, so here's VIP, and today, VIP mentorship video. Okay, it's quite an in-depth video, this one, on our strategy, how to set up the alerts and the market watch, what we're looking for specifically, getting ready for the week. All right, that's a really good video, this one. And there's the sell. Now, I didn't set this up as a copy-friendly signal. A few of my members have preferred that the indices are pasted in here so they can manually copy them, but I'll revisit that. I might set them up as copy-friendly for TS Copier. And yeah, I mean, this is VIP. We've got a bit of info here, and then an update on this trade. Okay, move your stop loss to break even. Had a good week last week, guys, with our new indicators and strategy. I think I posted that into the public channel. Yeah, exceptionally good week. And we're running off our most recently updated indicators, and I mean, if you've been watching my videos, you'll have an idea of what's going on in terms of our strategy. Anyway, so that's this one. It's a counter trend based on this indicator under here. Let's have a quick look at this signal. There's a signal back here, and that could have worked out quite well. Double click that, I'll mark it up. Okay, so this is our point of interest. This is a 4-hour, I think. No, it's a 1-hour chart under. Let's go back and have a look and see what that looked like. Just take out the, this is a bit busy. It's a 2-minute chart. Just get rid of that. We had a really nice counter trend gold trade at the end of last week. All right, so this is our point of interest here. And what we're looking for is the first red candle. See how the candles are colored green and then red? So this here was the cue to enter based on this indicator here. These lines, a blue and fuchsia line, or the blue line crossing this level here. So that's what we're looking for. Counter trend, not for the faint-hearted. There's actually another signal. Have a quick look at that. That was this one I missed. Check that out. Oh yeah, when I mouse over, right, that gave us this opportunity here. Look at that. And again, yeah, you got to watch out. But yeah, the thing to look for with this is where you see the divergence, this bearish divergence here. Watch out for the stop run. But this dot and these red signals, especially after this, well, that's our point of interest. So anything after that is a cue. And I mean, look at that. And on it went. Nice. Okay. Yeah, so the counter trend, we will be looking for these at certain times. And of course, we've got our trend continuation. That's trading back up into our entry point. Doesn't matter if we get taken out at break even. It's no big deal. We'll just see how it goes. All right, guys. That's a quick look at what we're doing. And if you haven't already, jump on board, guys. There's a 2-week free trial. It'll cost you $0 to see how this can make a huge difference to your trading. Just go to my website. It's trading at anthonybourne.com. Used to be tradingwithanthony.com, and that'll still take you there. Okay, guys, with that, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.